All right. Hello, digital world. So this is the name of our new world, right? And what is the most important thing in our digital world nowadays? Of course, the security, right? So when you are purchasing even a bottle from the internet, what are you think about it? Is it secure or not? That's the question, right? So that's why the cybersecurity is one of the most demanded job in the world. Now, doesn't matter wherever you are in US, Asia, Middle East, Europe, doesn't matter. And are you ready to level up your skills and protect this digital world? Cyblu is thrilled to announce our brand new 18 weeks cybersecurity training program. It's a beautiful program. Mark your calendars for September 16th. Okay. That's when we kick off the immersive hands-on course and design it to turn you into a cybersecurity professional and make you ready for the industry. From the understanding the basics of the digital world, computer communication, and cybersecurity, to tackling advanced threats, and you will gain the real world skills and insights from industry experts. Plus, you'll have access to exclusive program and resources and supportive community of the peers. Wherever you are a beginner or you are looking for sharpen your skills, this program is perfect for anyone who's passionate about cybersecurity and new digital world. Ready to take a spot? Head over to cyblu.com and secure your spots today.